up and stand in the center, please. Stand in the center, in the back, please. Hazards are off. Left turn signal. And right turn signal. Now stepping on the brake. Did you get all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it off.
No. And now I will show another close-up of the vehicle's tread. Right down here, as you can see. This is the passenger side tires. These are Goodyear Forteros. Tread right there. That is the back passenger side. This is the front passenger side. These are Goodyear Forteros. They have a 50,000 mile warranty. Now this is the front driver's side, right there. This is the back driver's side. And that concludes the second video.